All right. So one of the other things that we're going to look at is just making sure our notability is going to be organized. And one of those things that we need to do is this plus button here on the top corner of our Notability app. We can add in your subjects, your dividers. Right now, I have a divider with math, and then that way all my different class periods are in there. So as you guys are going to go through the course of the year, what I would do is dividers for your subjects that you have, right? So that way within your divider, you can add in your units of study for English, for math, for history. That way you can just kind of minimize your class, right? And then that way you can go in and kind of figure out where you need to go for your day. So I have mine organized by class period. And as we do notes throughout the time, we're going to have them in our Canvas page. And so for today, the beginning of our first notes assignment is going to be download the handout 1 into our Notability app. And so this is what we went over together with. So with our app, if you click on your download on the top corner, you got that square with the arrow. That's our share a button. We're going to send this to our Notability app. So if you don't see it, you may need to scroll. With your Notability app, you can click on that. We're going to make a new note since this is a new worksheet that we're going to have. You click on new note, and this is where you can send it to your specific divider or folder, your subject, so that way you can stay organized. So you have your note title. You can change it if you need to. You have your subject. And so for me as a teacher, I have it broken down as my class periods. But if you're a student, you might have it be broken down based on your subject. So that way you can have your math folder, you can click it, and then that way you can send it. So I'll send this one, for example, let's go to period 3. I'll send that to period 3. I want all the pages, there's 2 of them. I want to make sure that both come with it, and I will click import. So it'll give me that notification that it's sent. So now I just need to go back to my Notability, right? I sent it in to period 3, and notice it has 3 folders there. And so with that 3rd folder, I can see that here is the Notability note that we just downloaded from Canvas. I'm able to write all over it, take our notes, and keep that nice and organized. So this should kind of help us stay organized as we continue to add notes throughout the course of the year. And again, you can kind of look at all the notes. If you don't have it organized yet within your folders, you can always click and drag to bring it to different spaces if you did it to the wrong one. So you have those options for you. But again, I think staying organized is going to be key as we are online for the moment. All right, again, feel free to reach out with any questions, comments, or concerns, and that way we can work together to make this be a successful year.